Just name how you see the world. Like a shop into the bob, like animation world. And you are like a cup that sees this. Shall just shut down. Chinchillas are the bang. There. This is the bing. Bingo. We've got so much animals like you want to see. And you want to be much as the Lamborghini. Always take animals to like there just no way to animals here. They want something to stay. If you got it in your face, we've got animals places. We've got you, no places. We've got dogs. We've got rabbits. Don't again. You've gotta be happy. We want to the animals life. If you love them, you will treat them like your queen. A princess. Hey, would be a princess. We're a queen. Animals are the best. When you have a heart and you love, like this one, the world is the love, with the cats look like a dog, ruff, 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 have a hamster or a rat or chinchilla, dun, 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 dun. Animals won't stop saying the word. Animals, cat, dog, koala, chinchilla, panda, animation, animals, dog, rabbit. This is a really good animal, right? And you'd be excited when you with your animal, your favorite animal. You'd see a heart like this and